Bitcoin is going to $1 million by 2025, and in this video I'm going to show you the math behind this estimate. And guys, let's go straight into the charts. This is the Bitcoin price chart, and what I want to show you is that the price of Bitcoin follows market cycles, and more precisely, every time there was a halving event, the price of Bitcoin increased a lot over the next 12 to 18 months. And for those of you who don't know what a halving is it's an event that cuts in half the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions. So when a halving happens, the price of Bitcoin increases because Bitcoin gets perceived as scarcer. And as you can see here, guys, the first Bitcoin halving happened in 2012, and 12 months after the halving, the price of Bitcoin increased by over 10,000%. And after the second halving, which happened in 2016, the price of Bitcoin increased by over 3,000% in 1.5 years approximately. And after the third halving, which happened in May 2020, the price of Bitcoin increased by 650% in 1.5 years approximately again. And guys, every time we saw this pump after a halving event, we then corrected by approximately 80%. As you can see here, in 2014, the price of Bitcoin lost approximately 80%, and this happened again in 2018 and again here in 2022. And it seems like we touched the bottom for this market here at $16,000 approximately, and the price of Bitcoin started going up again, and we should expect a 200% increase by the date of the next halving in May 2024. And this is because we had a similar increase before the previous halving and an even higher increase before the second halving. So this would take the price of Bitcoin to $48,000 before May 2024. And after this date, we should expect a huge bump like it always happened after a halving event. And if we calculate the average between the returns after the second halving and after the third halving, which is the average between 3,000% and 650%, we get an average return for the last two cycles of 1,850% approximately. And guys, from where we should trade in May 2024, which is, as I showed you, $48,000, an increase like that, so an increase of 1,850% would take the price of Bitcoin to $890,000 in 1.5 years after the date of the next halving. And guys, remember that these are estimates based on the past, and nothing of this video is financial advice. But you let me know in the comments, are we going to reach almost $1 million by the end of 2025? And guys, if you haven't yet liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you didn't watch my last Bitcoin price analysis, you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next episode.